smashed boerie burgers coming in at under 50 Rand a portion, served with the sweet tomato pepperdew jam. How are we doing that? It's the Woolies W list. We're going to start off with our jam, which obviously has sugar for that sweetness. And we're going with pepperdew. We need some acidity. For the acidity, we're going with red wine vinegar. Salt, pepper goes in. Add the tomatoes. And just let it go until it's jammy. While I've got the jam cooking in the back, I've got my onions going, and I'm giving the onions the love. Turning sausage meat into burger patties is my favorite foodie hack. It's got all the fat in it already, and the fat is where the flavor's at. And it's got the spices. You want to make sure you get a serious crust in your patty before you turn it over, so it is worth checking on it. And give it a little shimmy every now and then, just to make sure nothing's sticking. We're going to add our beautiful thick sliced onions and cheese. And we basically want that cheese to just melt over everything. Let's build this burger, and we're starting off with mayonnaise.